What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. I bought a refurbished M535 mouse or M535 mouse. This is in the black color. Let's jump to the unboxing table. This is a Bluetooth mouse. Let's jump to the unboxing table. Here is the Logitech M535 compact Bluetooth mouse. Let me open with my Swiss knife. So here we go. Here's this Swiss knife, and then now let me open it. Okay. Yeah, it's open. And then now let me take out. It's a certified version. I pay like 16. Let's see, is that new or what? Okay, this is like brand new, to be honest with you. Okay, let me, this one you put the battery inside. This is a Bluetooth one, and then this you turn on the Bluetooth and connect. So this one will be only be the review of it, and first look of it. Okay, let me honest with you, it's a quite comfortable mouse. Okay, it's a quite comfortable mouse. I'm honest here. It's a quite comfortable mouse. I mean it's a very comfortable mouse and a quite compact mouse. Let me be honest with you. It's a quite comfortable mouse and a quite good quality mouse. Yeah. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy, a Geek. Subscribe and bye. I can easily recommend it. Bye.
لست للفردوس أعلى ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي